Hey Funky Junkers, watch this quick little video on how to turn any old hardbound book into a cool piece of Halloween decor. I Mod Podged the entire book and then laid down a wrinkled up piece of tissue paper, laid it down, and then went over it again with another coat of Mod Podge. I let it dry really good. And then after you get that all dried, I found this really funky dragon at the good Dollar Tree last year. So I just cut out that middle dragon emblem in the middle and placed it right on the top of my book. In true Funky Junk fashion, I went ahead and decorated this book with my signature glue dots and went all the way around the edging of the book to give it an old world, kind of like a nail head trim design. And I know it doesn't look much like now, and for all my newbies on here, you're probably wondering what the heck is she doing, but I promise you the end result will be amazing. I then went ahead and outlined those glue dots with just a strip of glue on the inside, and then I went ahead and added some more glue dots in each corner of that inside stripe. I hit it with the Cool Shot on my hair dryer to really set that glue. You don't want it to move around while the glue is still hot. And then I did have to recenter that emblem and put some more glue down. I then went on the spine of the book and wrote out the word potions with my hot glue gun. And then I went ahead and hit that with the Cool Shot on my hair dryer just to really make sure that it was gonna stay right where it was. After you get all your glue designs on there, I did add a few more swirls and some glue dots around that plaque. I let it dry, and then once I got all the design of the glue dots and the glue designs where I wanted them, I went ahead and mixed together some paint. I used black enamel paint from Folk Art, and then I mixed in a little bit of antique bronze just to give it like an oil rubbed bronze look, and I painted the entire book in that two color combination of black and antique bronze. And you can see the tissue paper, it gives it that kind of old, aged, warped effect that I really like. I went ahead and dried that really good. And then I took some antique copper and some gold metallic paint and just kind of dry brushed it over the entire book just to bring out some of those crackles in the paper and the glue designs. Now this is where the magic happens. You get out your antique gold rub and buff and you just bring to life all the designs that you created with your glue dots. I went over the entire book, and as you can see, it really makes everything stand out and it ends up being a spooky, cool spell book.